All right, did you like the book, Johnny Appleseed? Now that you've had a chance to read it once, I want us to take a closer look at the text. In particular, I want us to take a look at the illustrations. Let's look at our I can statement. I can use illustrations to analyze the author's purpose in the text. We're going to look and see how the author uses the illustrations to help us understand what the author wants us to know about the character or about the events in the text. The first question here tells us to look at page 7 in the text, and he wants to know this. What does the illustration show about Johnny's life? Well, I happen to have my book here open. I hope you do too, but if you forgot and you closed it, no worries. Just change the page, go back one page, and click on the book Johnny Appleseed again, and you'll open it right up in a separate tab. So let's go look at page 7. What does the illustration show about Johnny's life? All right, here's page 7. Here's page 6 and 7. Take a look. What's happening here? What does the author want you to know about Johnny's life by looking at these pictures? What does the author want you to know? For the next question, we're going to look at pages 8 and 9. Who are Johnny's friends, according to this information? Here we go, turning the page 8 and 9. Looking at the text, and specifically at the pictures. Take a look at the pictures. Who are Johnny's friends? All right, now you can answer or capture your thoughts here on this page by clicking on the text box and adding your thoughts right here on the page, or you can answer these questions in your reading journal. Either way is fine. All right, next question. We're going to look at page 10. How many seeds does Johnny plant? How many trees does he have? I don't remember that. I'm going to need to go back and take a look. Johnny has 5 seeds. He plants the seeds. Johnny puts the water on the seeds. He sees the seeds grow. Interesting. How many seeds did he plant? How many trees do you see? The last question has 3 pages for us to look at. Pages 11, 12, and 15. It says, what steps for growing apples are described in the book? Page 11, 12, and 15. All right, here's 11. What's happening here? Here's 12. What's happening here? And here's 15. Yummy. This might be one of my favorite steps in this process of growing apples. All right. So what steps did we just see for growing apples in the book? Again, you can respond right here on the page. If you do, please be sure to save your work, or you can respond in your reading journal. Great work, my friends.